Hello, my dear students. Teacher Jason here, and it's time for our online science class. I hope you and your family stay safe and everything alright with you. I wish you enjoy and have a really good time here with me. So let's dive into our lesson.
Okay, our topic for today, the properties of composite materials. We continue from previous lesson, our topic, properties of composite materials. Please repeat after me, properties of composite materials. All right. Before we continue our topic, I wish to make our warm-up activity. I show you materials and objects and you repeat after me in the same way like we make in our classroom. Okay, so let's make activity now.
So some objects are made from one material, right? Some objects are made from one material. Okay, what is it? Repeat after me. Plastic. Okay, material is plastic. What object made of plastic? Plastic bag. Repeat after me. Plastic bag. Okay, and plastic bottles. Repeat after me. Plastic bottles. Alright? Okay, what is next one? What is it? Iron. Okay? Material is iron. What object made of iron? It's tools. Repeat after me. Tools. And tubes. Alright? Tubes. Repeat after me. Tubes. Okay? Okay, next one. What is it? What is it? Okay, it's glass. Okay, now you. What is it? Glass bottles. Alright? And what more made of glass? Window. Okay, window. Alright. Next one. What is it? Correct. It's wood. What made of wood? Repeat after me, please. Furniture. Furniture. And board. Okay. What is next one? What is it? Metal. Okay. What made of metal? Repeat after me. Paper clip. Paper clip. Okay. And foil. Repeat after me, please. Foil. Okay. Next one. What is it? Wool. We made sweater from wool. And scarf. Warm clothes made of wool. Alright? What is it? Fabric. We made curtains from fabric. Curtains. And bed sheets. Repeat after me. Bed sheets. Okay? Alright. Some objects are made from more than one material. Okay? What is it? It's walls. Repeat after me. Walls. Walls made of bricks and cement. Okay? It's not me, it's cement. Alright? So, next one. Try by your own. Okay? What is it? Glasses made of glass and plastic. Okay? Now your turn. What is it? Sailboat made of wood and fabric. Okay, now you. What is it? Okay, axe made of wood and iron. Next one, what is it? Sailboat made of we can take wood and fabric and make new object. For example, deck chair. Repeat after me. Deck chair. We have wood here and fabric. Okay. One more time. What is it? We can take wood and fabric and make new object. Sofa. What is it? From wood we can make wooden house. Repeat after me. Wooden house. And from fabric we can make curtains. Repeat after me. Curtains. Alright? What is it? Axe made of iron and wood. We can take iron and wood and make new object. Knife. Okay? Or shovel. Okay? One more time. Tell me, what is it? Made of. From iron we can make new object. Screw nut. Repeat after me. Screw nut. Alright? And from wood we can make wooden spoon. Alright? Wooden spoon. Okay.
Alright, now let's review our previous lesson. Let's recap everything what we learned before. So we work with our work textbook, yeah, and we complete the diagram on page 101. For those who didn't finish this exercise, who didn't complete the diagram, or you miss it somehow, I ask you to open your work textbook now on page 101, okay? Who not finished this exercise, open page 101 and correct everything, okay? And let's follow me and I show you everything what we made on previous lesson. Okay, so we complete diagram. Water absorption and material mixing, yeah? Water absorption property of materials. Cloth and paper can absorb water, yeah? While metal, wood and plastic cannot absorb water, yeah? So if you didn't finish this, please pause the video now and correct everything in your work textbook, okay? But I hope you finished that, okay? We just review. Water absorption property is important when making things in daily life. For example, cloth is used to make towels for drying our wet body. Paper is used to make tissue for wiping or cleaning wet things. Okay, and plastic is used to make umbrellas that can stop the rain from wetting us. All this sentence already in your work textbook, okay? And properties of composite materials. We mix different materials to make a new object that fits our uses. For example, mixing rice flour with warm water turns the flour into thick lumps. Okay, so now we refresh our knowledge and we remember what we done on previous lesson. Now I wish to show you one video about composite. What is composite? Okay, we already discussed it, but now I want you refresh your knowledge and watch next video. Okay, so follow the instruction and watch video. First of all, you pause the video lesson, please. Pause our video lesson. Then click the link and watch video 1. It's appear here on the screen, or you can find the link in description below. And when you finish watching video 1, continue to watch our video lesson, all right? So when you finish, please close that window and come back to our video lesson and continue to watch our video lesson. So I ask you to pause the video now, open video 1, and when you finish with video 1, continue to watch our video lesson, right? So let's do it right now. Pause the video, please. Okay, I hope you enjoy our composite video. And now let's repeat one more time, okay? Properties of composite materials. When we mix 2 or more materials, when we mix 2 or more materials, we get a new material. This new material has new properties that work in the way we want, and we call this new material composite, right? For example, if we want to mix 2 or more colors, we can get new color. For example, if we mix yellow and red color, we will get orange color. Yeah, so orange is composite material mixed by yellow and red color. If we mix clay and rice husk, we will get clay bricks. Yeah, clay bricks. We mix 2 material and we get new one, composite material, right? For example, if we mix plaster with water, we will get plaster cast. Yeah, composite material. Plaster, one material, water, second material. We mix them together and we get new object. Yeah, new material with new properties. All right, so I hope we refresh our knowledge completely, and now we can jump to our practice stage. All right, I ask you to open your work textbook on page 102. All right, page 102. Open your work textbook on page 102. All right, if you don't have work textbook, if you're not prepared, please pause the video, prepare your work textbook, open page 102, take your pencil or pen and push the play button and we continue, okay? So on page 102 in our work textbook, we have exercise here. We look at the picture and answer the question below, okay? So first one, repeat after me. What is it? It's toilet tissue. Repeat after me, toilet tissue. Toilet tissue. All right, one more time, toilet tissue. And everybody know what is it? It's balloon. Repeat after me, balloon, balloon. Okay, so we look at the picture and now we will answer the question. What do you think? Toilet tissue made of which material? What material we use to make toilet tissue? What is it? Could you guess? It's paper. Absolutely correct. Repeat after me, paper. Okay, and answer the next question. Paper absorbs water or it does not absorb water? You remember we make some activity, yeah? We take our paper and we add some water and paper absorb water, yeah? Correctly. And then paper became weak, yeah? And we can say that paper absorb water. And where we use our toilet tissue to wipe or clean little amount of spilled water. If we spilled water somewhere, we use toilet tissue to wipe it up or clean, yeah, a little amount of water. So this is how we use our paper tissue. Okay, second one, balloon, yeah, this is balloon. Balloon made of, everybody knows, balloon made of, tell me please. Rubber, absolutely correct, rubber. And tell me please, rubber absorb water or does not absorb water? You remember it perfectly. I'm sure that you can answer this question, and it does not absorb water. Yeah, it does not absorb water, doesn't absorb water. And where we use our balloon. Yeah, it can be a lightweight toy that floats in the air. Yeah, we just play balloon in our everyday life. So now I ask you to pause the video and write everything down in your work textbook. Okay, write down everything in your work textbook. When you finish writing, please push the play button and we continue our video lesson. All right. So next one, number 3, it's scarf. Repeat after me. Scarf. Repeat after me, please. Scarf. Scarf made of. Do you remember? Scarf made of. What scarf made of? Made of fabric. Okay, you write down, please. Fabric, and answer. Tick the right circle. It's absorb water or does not absorb water. Fabric absorb water or do not absorb water. So we use scarf to keep our body warm. Repeat after me, please. To keep our body warm. One more time. To keep our body warm. Okay, we use scarf to keep our body warm. So I wish you write it down. Scarf made of fabric or clothes, and it's absorb or not. Absorb water or doesn't absorb water. Tick it in the right circle, okay? And we continue. Number 4, raincoat. Repeat after me. Raincoat. Raincoat made of, you guess, okay? Made of, I think it's plastic or rubber. Yeah. So raincoat made of, and you please write it down here what it made of, and tell me it absorb water or it does not absorb water. Okay. And please write down. We use it to keep us from rain. To keep us from rain. Yeah, we use it to keep us from rain. All right. So you can pause the video and write down everything. Okay. Scarf made of which material? Raincoat made of what material? This material absorb water or does not absorb water? This material absorb water or does not absorb water? And copy the uses, okay? Uses to keep our body warm and to keep us from rain. All right? When you finish, please push the play button and we continue our lesson. Okay, good job. I hope you make successfully our exercise. And now let's go to next page, page 103. I will ask you to open page 103. Okay, page 103. We'll read and answer the questions. All right. So mother wants to make some Thai coconut rice pancakes for father. All right. Mother wants to make some Thai coconut rice pancakes for father. She finds out how to do it from the internet. First, we need some rice flour, coconut milk, sugar and salt. Then we mix all of them together and pour into a mold pan. We cover the pan and leave it until they are cooked before serving. Okay, maybe it's a bit hard for you. And to understand this text, I ask you to follow next instruction and watch the video, okay, that mother finds on internet. Yeah, mother find some video and video recipe from internet how to cook Thai coconut rice pancakes for father. Okay, now I will show you this video and we continue this exercise. All right, so follow the next instruction, please. All right. To watch next video, I ask you again to pause the video lesson, click the link and watch video 2. Same way like we make with video 1 in the beginning of our lesson. When you finish, watch video number 2. Come back to our video lesson and continue to watch our video lesson. All right? See you here After you finish, watch video 2. Okay, pause the video now and go watch video 2. And I'm waiting you here, okay? See you later. Alright, so I hope you watched our recipe and now you understand it much clearly, yeah? First we need some rice flour, coconut milk, sugar and salt. Then we mix all of them together and pour into a mold pan. We cover the pan and leave it until they are cooked before serving, okay? So we have questions, okay? We have two questions. We have first question, what does it look like after she mixes the rice flour, coconut milk, sugar and salt? Please try to describe this substance. Yeah, what is it? What is it? Okay, it looks like what? The mixture will look like a white liquid. Okay, it's white liquid. Okay, the mixture will look like a white liquid. It looks like a white liquid. So I ask you to pause the video and write it down. The mixture will look like a white liquid. Yeah, white liquid. You can see it from our photo. Yeah, this photo from uh, takes from our video that I showed you before. Okay, the mixture will look like a white liquid. Repeat after me. The mixture will look like a white liquid. Okay, so now pause the video and write it down in your work textbook. Write it down, okay? When you finish, play the video and we continue answer our second question. All right, second question. What do the coconut rice pancakes look like when they are cooked? Yeah, when we finish cooking it, how they looks like? Try to describe. They will look like a white soft cakes, yeah, and can add like small cake, yeah, small cake. They will look like a white soft cake. So repeat after me. They will look like a white soft cake. One more time. They will look like a white soft cake. They will look like a white soft cake. They will look like a white soft cake. Repeat after me, please. They will look like a white soft cake. All right. Now pause the video and write down everything in your work textbook, okay? Answer the second question. They will look like a white soft cake, yeah? Soft cake. All right, when you finish, please push the play button and we continue our lesson. Okay, good job everyone. Now our lesson nearly to finish, okay? And before we finish our lesson, let's recap everything we studied today, okay? So our topic was properties of composite materials, all right? And I show you some video about composite materials, and we discovered that when we mix two or more materials, we get a new material. This new material has new properties that work in the way we want, okay? And this new material we call composite. I show you some example of composite material. We mixed color together. We mix clay and rice husk. We mix plaster and water to get plaster cast. Yeah, and we make some exercises today. Yeah. Also, I want to say when we mix different materials, we can get a new object. So we mix different materials to get a new object that can do a better job for us or fit our users. Okay, we discover with you toilet tissue and balloon. We answer some question about tissue and balloon, that they tissue made of paper and absorb water, and we use it to wipe or clean little amount of spilled water. And balloon we discovered with you that balloon made of rubber, it's do not absorb water, and it can be a lightweight toy that floats in the air. Yeah. Also, we discovered with you scarf and raincoat. I asked you to identify material that we use to make scarf and raincoat, and identify is it absorb water or does not absorb water. And I give you uses here. Scarf we use to keep our body warm, and raincoat we use to keep us from rain. Okay, also we make second exercise on page 103. We watch some video recipe how to cook coconut rice pancake, and we answer the question, what does it looks like after she mix the rice flour, coconut milk, sugar, and salt, all ingredients together. Yeah, it looks like white liquid. And second question, we answer, what do the coconut rice pancakes looks like when they are cooked? Yeah, they looks like a white soft cake. All right, so this is it.
Okay, now our lesson is finished. I hope it was exciting and interesting for you, and I wish to see you soon. All right, so I wish you stay safe with your family at your home, stay home, and see you soon. Okay, bye bye.